wa county ya Uasin Gishu Jonathan Bii augite ni kurutania wĩra na aruti wĩra othe a county no nginyagia athũrime kumenya kana kuri na aruti wĩra a maigirira. Ino ni gatagati ka mibango iria magavana maingi mari nayo ya gutheria county mbere ya mambĩrĩria gukinyaniria motungata maria meranĩire.
Every staff member to ensure that our people who voted in for us will get the necessary services that they wanted from us. As we settle down, there are things that we need to start handling immediately, right? One, we shall be instituting a staff headcount and HR audits to ascertain who we have as our staff. It is common for every new administration. It's not a strange thing. You know, there are people that say, okay, we have ghost workers and all that. For us to prove that statement wrong, we will do head count. So make sure you are ever present wherever you work. Otherwise, you might be counted as a cost and you'll be deleted from the records of Uasin Gishu County government. We have enabled these machines. Sometimes you could see a very huge machine and they say it belongs to Uasin Gishu County. I'm not seeing them. I don't know what they are. I don't know what they are doing, wherever they are. But we want to make sure that we do a very serious look into it so that we can have this machinery working for us. Wale watu wetu ambao wanafanya kazi, especially law enforcement, hao watu ma-enforcers, kuna watu wanajaribu kusema maneno. Tunataka tupatia wakuwe na uniform na wakuwe na sura ya kibinadamu na pia sura ya kazi. Ama namna gani? We need to have a human face. At the same time, we have to be firm because we will make sure that people should follow the rules and the laws and the few regulations which are around here. So namna hiyo.
The county